Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. First, sign into the Google account tied to your YouTube channel. Once signed in, open YouTube Studio and navigate to Monetization. This starts the AdSense link flow. Make sure your channel meets eligibility. If not, pause and complete requirements. When prompted to set up an AdSense account, choose the correct Google account and confirm your payee name and country. This matters because payments and tax forms will use those exact details, so double-check spelling and addresses before proceeding. Once you click to link, YouTube opens an AdSense window. Follow each prompt carefully. Select an existing AdSense account if you manage multiple. Otherwise, create a new one and confirm the email. Make sure the payment profile country matches your legal address. Mismatches block transfers. Complete identity verification steps, which may include ID upload or phone verification, and enter tax information when prompted. This avoids withholding issues later. Keep the browser tab open until confirmation appears. Finalize by confirming monetization settings. Add formats, placements, and channel-level options, then save changes. After linking, AdSense sends approval and payout emails. Payments start only once you meet the payment threshold, typically $100 or local equivalent. If linking fails, first verify the AdSense account country and that you don't have duplicate active AdSense accounts, because Google restricts one payee per person. If errors persist, clear cookies, try an incognito window, or use a different browser. Those simple fixes often resolve most.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.